I will pack all my pretty dresses. I will box up my high heel shoes and sparkling ring. For every finger I'll put away and hide from view. I'll tuck away my gilded buttons. I'll bind myself in hopeless bed, wrap it all up in reams of tissue, and then I'll kiss you, sweet farewell. You saw me ride to our occasion, and so tonight the evidence caused me to burn and twist against you like something caught on barbed wire fence. Now you can see me fall back here redoubled, full bewildered and amazed. I've gotten into some terrible trouble beneath your blank and musing gaze. It does not suffice for you to say I'm a sweet boy, or to say you hate to see me sad because of you. It does not suffice to merely lie beside each other as those who love each other do. The type of hangers swaying in the closet, unburdened books and empty drawers, and everywhere I try to love you is yours again, and